everyone. I'm Peter Albrecht.
And I'm Devin Walsh. Thanks for joining us. First on 5, we begin with the weather. Rivers continue to rise at this hour, causing more problems for Baldwin County residents who've been dealing with floodwaters all week.
Today, Baldwin EMC began assessing areas along the Tensas River. They're watching the water levels just like the homeowners, and the water is getting high.
Yeah, WKRG.com mobile journalist Blake Brown joins us live tonight from Baldwin County. And Blake, how are the folks there dealing with this?
Well, Devin, they are concerned here tonight. Take a live look behind me. The water continues to rise. This building underwater, and locals here tell me it's risen. The water's come up about 6 inches or so since this time yesterday. Of course, flooding a major concern here. And just on the other side of all these trees, there's a private island of about 50 homes or so. Those residents there are very concerned about more flooding tonight. This homeowner has lived on Tensas Island through many hurricanes, including the one no one likes to hear of, Katrina. But he says water has never been this high. We made it across the high water, but most residents, especially those living on the south end, are relying on boats to come and go.
It's rough down here right now.
Baldwin EMC cutting power to the island, now leaving residents completely cut off. Those who are willing to brave the high water are taking vehicles to higher ground while they can, but time is running out.
It's sketchy. You got to go slow and pay attention. It'll swamp your vehicle. You never want to drive in water like that if you can help it.
This community is home to dozens of full-time residents, some who have lived here for 20-plus years. Neighbors are relying on each other now more than ever. Homes surrounded by water, and it keeps rising.
I think it's going to come up another foot or so. I was looking at NOAA this morning. They're talking about another foot and a half of water, which is going to completely make the island impassable, and it's definitely going to affect a lot of people. There's a lot of residents down here in the hurricane community that's been here for years and years and years.
Yeah, and that water again continuing to rise here tonight. That is a big concern for these residents. As you just heard, they will, of course, be keeping a close watch on their property over the next 24 hours or so. Live tonight in North Baldwin County, I'm Blake Brown, WKRG News 5.
Thank you, Blake. And he is part of our mobile journalist team. You can see all of his stories first on our website, WKRG.com. And be sure to follow him on Facebook and Twitter.
And it's